Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1382 indicates a malfunction in the tailgate closer unit full latch switch circuit of the Honda Odyssey, model years 2011 to 2017. This diagnostic trouble code signals an issue that may involve parts critical to the tailgate's operation, specifically the tailgate closer unit and the full latch switch. The tailgate closer unit is located in the rear section of the vehicle, normally near the tailgate assembly, where it plays a vital role in securing the tailgate when closed. The full latch switch communicates the position of the tailgate to the vehicle's onboard computer, ensuring it is safely latched before allowing other systems to engage. A malfunction can lead to issues, such as a tailgate not closing or securing properly, affecting both security and functionality. The error denoted by DTC B1382 points specifically to a problem within the full latch switch circuit of the tailgate closer unit. The tailgate closer unit is a key component that works in conjunction with the full latch switch. When the tailgate is closed, the full latch switch signals the tailgate control unit that it has securely latched, which is crucial for the vehicle's operational safety. It ensures that any electronic or power options related to the tailgate function correctly. The location of these components is typically at the rear of the Honda Odyssey near the tailgate, making them accessible for inspection and repair if needed. A malfunction in this circuit could potentially prevent the tailgate from functioning as intended, impacting user experience. Several potential causes can result in the DTC B1382 being triggered. One primary reason could be a faulty full latch switch, which may fail to send the correct signals to the control unit, disrupting communication. Additionally, damaged wiring or poor connectors between the various components could lead to interrupted signals, causing the system to fail. Another possible cause is a bad ground connection, which is crucial for circuit completion. A proper ground ensures that all electrical components function correctly and reliably. Inspection of wiring integrity and connections is essential to identify the root cause of this error code and prevent recurrence. When the DTC B1382 is present, several symptoms may manifest. Typically, owners may notice that the tailgate does not close or secure properly, which can pose security risks. A malfunction indicator light might illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the vehicle owner to a potential issue requiring attention. Additionally, the tailgate may exhibit inconsistent behaviors, such as occasionally closing or latching, while at other times failing to do so. These symptoms not only affect the usability of the tailgate, but can also lead to further complications in electrical systems reliant on its proper operation. Owners should be vigilant about these symptoms and address them promptly. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1382 involves manually opening the tailgate using the outer handle switch. This is a straightforward procedure that allows identification of any immediate mechanical issues with the tailgate itself. Following that, you should close the tailgate manually. It is essential because this action resets certain electronic features and prepares the vehicle for inspection. Performing these manual operations confirms that the issue is not a simple mechanical obstruction or fault that could prevent proper operation of the tailgate. Ensuring the tailgate closes without resistance helps to clarify the nature of the fault and is a critical preliminary step. In the second troubleshooting step, you'll need to turn the ignition switch to the lock position, denoting a complete shutdown of the vehicle's electrical systems. After a moment, turn the ignition switch back to the on position, which re-engages the vehicle's systems and resets any fault codes stored in memory. This step is vital as it prepares the onboard diagnostic system to accurately assess the state of the tailgate components. It may also refresh the tailgate control unit, allowing for a clearer diagnostic path. Ensuring this process is done thoroughly helps eliminate transient issues that could interfere with the accurate diagnosis of DTC B1382. Next, you will clear the diagnostic trouble codes, known as DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. The HDS is a specialized tool designed to communicate with the vehicle's onboard systems. Clearing DTCs is crucial because it resets the diagnostic indicators, allowing you to determine if the fault is persistent or has been momentarily resolved. Once cleared, it is time to check for any stored DTCs using the HDS again. This helps identify whether DTC B1382 is still present or if the system has returned to normal function. Accurate assessment at this stage will guide the next steps in troubleshooting and repair. In this step, you will check if DTC B1382 reappears after clearing previous codes. If DTC B1382 is indicated again, this signifies that the issue is more persistent and requires further investigation. Conversely, if no codes appear, this might suggest an intermittent failure in the system that could be related to loose or poor connections between the power tailgate control unit and the closer unit. Thus, both instances hold vital diagnostic information. Documenting this outcome helps track the progression of symptoms and will inform future troubleshooting efforts to resolve the root cause. For the fifth step in troubleshooting DTC B1382, you'll open the tailgate using the outer handle switch again. This action is crucial as it tests the responsiveness of the switch as well as the entire power tailgate system. Following this, ensure the ignition switch is turned to lock, which sets you up for the next inspection. Afterward, it is essential to manually move the tailgate latch into the fully closed position using a screwdriver. This process helps in diagnosing if the full latch switch is functioning correctly, while confirming the position of components. Always be vigilant and check for any evidence of damaged wires or poor connections at this step, as these could lead to continued diagnostic issues. Step 6 focuses on disconnecting the power tailgate closer unit by removing connector B, which contains 6 pins. This disconnection allows for a more secure and isolated inspection of the individual terminals to assess their integrity. Next, continuity between specific terminals, number 5 and number 6, must be examined. This step checks the electrical pathway and ensures that there are no interruptions within the circuit that could be causing the full latch switch malfunction. Proper continuity means that the electrical connection is intact and functioning correctly, while a lack of continuity indicates potential faults within the closer unit or its attached circuitry. In this 7th troubleshooting step, you will evaluate whether continuity exists between the designated terminals of the power tailgate closer unit connector. If continuity is established, it strongly indicates that the full latch switch is faulty. In such a case, the correct course of action is to replace the entire power tailgate closer unit, as it houses the full latch switch along with associated components. Ignoring this step can lead to persistent issues with the tailgate system, ultimately affecting safety and usability. Conversely, a lack of continuity suggests further investigation is needed, possibly pointing to issues with the ground connection or other wiring problems that prevent proper circuitry. The final step involves checking for continuity between terminal number 5 of the power tailgate closer unit connector and the body ground. This step is critical as it assesses whether the ground connection is intact, which is necessary for completing the electrical circuit properly. A good ground connection ensures that all components receive adequate power and function correctly. If continuity to ground is found, this indicates that the wiring and grounding are secure, isolating the issue directly to the full latch switch. In case there is no continuity, it may necessitate checking body grounding connections for damage, corrosion, or looseness, which could prevent effective operation. After completing the necessary repairs, it is essential to verify that the tailgate operates successfully, ensuring the full latch switch now engages correctly. Testing the tailgate should involve both opening and closing it using the outer handle switch to confirm that the circuit operates reliably without triggering DTC B1382. Next, clear the DTCs again using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to reset the vehicle's computer reference. Afterward, cycle the ignition and check for any reoccurring error codes. The key is to ensure that all related systems are functioning correctly post-repair and that the vehicle's communication systems report no faults. This ensures comprehensive resolution of the issue and confirms that no further troubleshooting is necessary. Preventive maintenance for the tailgate and surrounding electrical systems is vital in avoiding future occurrences of DTC B1382 and other related issues. Regular inspections of the tailgate components should be scheduled, focusing on the integrity of the latch switch and the closer unit. It's also wise to ensure that all wiring remains free from damage, fraying, or corrosion that can impact functionality. Inspections should include cleaning contacts and grounds to prevent electrical issues from dirt buildup. This proactive approach not only prolongs the lifespan of these components, but also enhances safety by ensuring they operate as expected in daily use, reducing the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns. In conclusion, the DTC B1382 indicates a significant issue within the tailgate closer unit full latch switch circuit of the Honda Odyssey, requiring systematic troubleshooting to identify and rectify the root cause. Steps include physical manipulation of the tailgate, thorough electrical checks, and ultimately replacing faulty components if necessary. It is critical to follow the outlined steps closely to ensure accurate diagnostics and effective repairs. Moreover, instituting preventive maintenance can enhance component longevity and system reliability, greatly reducing future repair needs. This multifaceted approach not only resolves the current problem, but also promotes a safer and more reliable vehicle for everyday use. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.